Isn't it just so satisfying? Am I strange? Or do you guys also love those kind of videos? Tell me in the comments down below. And I don't really go for nose strips myself, but I do enjoy watching these videos because they are so satisfying. And today, as you've probably already understood, we're going to talk about pores, and we are going to talk about blackheads and sebaceous filaments, how to tell which ones do you have and what is the difference behind them. Let's go! Hey you guys! What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Kate, I'm a pharmacist and I'm very happy to see you here. And I have a small life update. I got piercing in my ears. So happy. Nothing else in this world I hate as much as black dots on my nose, on my forehead and on my chin, and I hate them. I hate them with my entire heart. I know that probably other people don't see them as well as I do, but I do hate them. I hate them. But do you guys know that those black dots might not necessarily be blackheads? They might be sebaceous filaments. And if you want to know how to distinguish blackhead from sebaceous filament, you need to watch this video till the very end. So let's start from blackheads. Blackheads are a type of non-inflammatory acne, and they are also called open comedones. And acne is a common skin condition which causes pimples on your face, neck, back, shoulders or chest. And usually there are three reasons why acne may appear, and the first one is excessive oil production, the second one is increased keratinization, and the third one is the bacterial growth. So basically, acne developed due to clogged pores, and in our skin there are sebaceous filaments, and there are also hair follicles, and sebaceous glands are attached to these hair follicles, and these together form a whole which is called a pore. So sebaceous glands are producing an oil-like substance which is also called a sebum. And depending on our skin type, our skin produces more, so you have oily skin, or less sebum, so you have dry skin. And acne-prone skin is usually producing the excess amount of sebum, so the sebum mixed together with clogged pores can block the pore, and acne might appear. And there are different types of acne. There are comedones, most common ones. There are whiteheads or closed comedones, and there are blackheads, the open comedones. And there are also inflammatory acne, which are, for example, papules, nodules, pustules, and cysts. And now let's talk about sebaceous filaments. These are not the same. Blackheads are a type of acne, and sebaceous filaments are not a type of acne. Sebaceous filaments are actually a thread-like substance inside our pore, which helps to move sebum from sebaceous glands to the surface of our skin. And they actually prevent our skin from drying out, and these are good for our skin. So you don't need to get rid of sebaceous filaments because they are actually keeping our skin healthy and well moist. And oftentimes you don't even see sebaceous filaments because you have them in every pore. But oftentimes you don't see them. But if your skin is on the oilier side and if you have bigger pores, for example on your nose, you might see them, and they, might be visible. So if your sebaceous filaments are visible, in comparison to blackheads, they are not as black as blackheads. Sebaceous filaments can be on the grayish, brownish side, so these are not as dark as blackhead. Blackhead is completely black, and if you squeeze the sebaceous filament out, which I do not recommend because they are healthy, they are natural to our skin, and they help our skin to be healthy. But if you do so, you will get a thread-like thingy, like grayish or brownish thingy, waxy thingy from your pore, and that's all. But if you squeeze the blackhead out, you will get a black waxy plug going from your pore. So these are not the same. So once more, blackheads are bad for our skin. They are a type of acne and they might cause inflammation. But sebaceous filaments are great for our skin. They keep our skin healthy, they keep our skin moist and prevent it from drying. So don't touch your sebaceous filaments. And that is why I don't consider pore strips such a great idea if you use them often. If you use them like every day or every week, I think that is a bit too much because they can remove sebaceous filaments too, and sebaceous filaments are great for our skin. You don't want them to be removed. So if you probably use these pore strips once a month or once every 2 months, it's like the mechanical instructions. It's like the mechanical instruction. I hate this procedure with my entire heart. It's an unbearable pain for me. I hate this procedure, and no, I'm not doing this anymore. And yeah, it's like mechanical extraction procedure. You don't go to your esthetician like every week and get the mechanical extraction. You don't do this. For me, it's unbearable pain, and I will never do it again. But for you, you don't usually do it once a week. You do it once a month, or once every second month, or once. You don't do it every week. So pore strips are not a problem if you use them right. If you don't use them like every week, if you use them once a month, they're okay, as is mechanical extraction. Even if I don't like those two, these are okay basically. But don't overdo this. So now let's talk about treatment, and let's start from sebaceous filaments. And you don't actually need to treat your sebaceous filaments, you don't need to remove them, you don't need to squeeze them out. They are natural and they are the sign of the healthy skin. But if your sebaceous filaments are visible, it means that your sebaceous glands are overproducing the sebum right now, and probably your skin is dehydrated, or your skin is not well cleared, well cleansed, or over cleansed. So yeah, if your sebaceous filaments are visible, you need to find a way to build your skincare routine the way that you minimize the sebum production and effectively clear your face and your pores. And this is actually helpful with blackheads too. So the first thing you need to know is that double cleansing is a thing, and it's actually the safest way to cleanse your skin. So double cleansing means you use 2 different cleansers. So the first one is an oil cleanser. Oil cleanser removes all the oil-soluble things and products, and the second one is a gentle cleanser. It's the regular cleanser, water-based cleanser, which dissolves all the things that dissolve in water. So this way you achieve the effective cleansing ritual with mild products. So you don't overstrip your skin, you don't over cleanse your skin, and your skin stays clean and healthy. So our skin can compensate the lack of moisture with excessive sebum production. So basically, if your skin barrier is compensated, if you're not moisturizing your skin, if you're over cleansing your skin or over exfoliating, if something is wrong with your skin. If something is wrong with your skin barrier, your skin might start to compensate the lack of hydration with excessive sebum production. So your skincare routine should be at place. And even if you have oily skin, guys, you need to moisturize, you need to cleanse your skin, you need to moisturize your skin, and you need to protect your skin with sunscreen. And yes, even if you have oily skin, you need to moisturize your skin, but you don't have to use rich creams so that your skin will be greasy or oily. You can absolutely use gel creams. For example, I'm using my Bioma gel cream moisturizer, and it's amazing for the combination skin, I think for oily skin too. But if you have dry skin, of course, use all the rich creams you want. Niacinamide is also an amazing ingredient to incorporate in your skincare routine because it can reduce the oil production. And basically, you can find niacinamide in every product there because, for example, this Bioma one contains triceramic complex, niacinamide, niacinamide. Let me see. So yeah, basically in every product out there is niacinamide in the ingredients list, but just check it. So you don't need a special niacinamide serum. You can search for niacinamide in your moisturizer or in your serums, which have other things inside too. So yeah, minimally. So now let's talk about how to treat blackheads. So one of my favorite ingredients to treat blackheads and to clear pores is salicylic acid. And salicylic acid is a beta-hydroxy acid, so it's oil soluble and it can go deep into the pore and clear it. So salicylic acid is amazing, and I actually have the ordinary mask with salicylic acid, and I use it once a week as a mask. Obviously. And also I have the ordinary peeling solution, which also has BHA 2% salicylic acid, so don't mix them. And one more ingredient which is amazing both in preventing and treating acne, blackheads, is retinol. And retinol is actually the #1 ingredient in fighting acne, and it's also amazing in fighting aging. So basically, if you have acne-prone skin or if you have signs of premature aging, this is your best friend now, and I love it. And guys, if you're pregnant or if you're planning to get pregnant, you actually cannot use retinoids, and you also cannot use salicylic acids, BHAs. Yeah, so mind that there is a big no-no for it, so just don't even start. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Put the thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I see you in my next one. Bye!